Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your profile on Airbnb. So here I've already on the apps, and if you want to change your profile, you need to go to your profile menu at the bottom right corner. Click on that, and here is to see your profile, just click on view profile. And then after that, if you want to edit or change your profile, just click on edit at the top right corner, and then here you can see there is a few options that you can change. There's about me, location, work, and also languages. You can also change your photo in here. Just click on the camera icon and choose a photo from your gallery, and here you can change your about me. Just click on add, and you need to tell the Airbnb a little bit about yourself so your future host or guest can get to know you. For example, I am cat lovers, for example. And then if you're done, just click on done, and then you can also change your location, and if you want, you can also enter your work. Just click on add, and here enter your work. For example, human resources executive, and then click done. And then after that, you can also change your language, and when you're done, oops, okay, you need to go slowly, because when you click on back, it will go back automatically without confirm to save your work, your changes first. Okay, done, and then click on save. Okay, so now my profile has been changed, and that is how you can change your profile or on Airbnb. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in next videos. Bye.